Another amazing thing about this product is the smell. If you have used the original formula of NAIR, which I'm sure you have way back in the day, you know that it smells like straight ass chips, okay? Straight ass chips, okay? What's up, Royal Fam? This your girl, Jane of Thrones, and I'm back, and I'm ready to give you my recommendation for when you can't get to the wax salon and you're feeling like a little hairy, a little Sasquatchy, you know, you need to get snatched over there in the cooter area. Yeah, that's what this video is all about. So stay tuned, we're gonna get right into it. This is my product that I use when I can't get to the wax salon, or, you know, I just don't have no bread. Like, I'm just broke and I can't afford to pay that $50 to get that wax. Because you know, when you start getting Brazilian waxes and stuff and you start using wax, they tell you do not shave. So basically, you done already got on that roller coaster ride and you can't get off. So because if you shave, when you wax, right, your hairs are supposed to grow back thinner and less in volume. So if you go ahead and shave instead of continuing to get your wax or keeping up with your waxes, your hair is going to grow back thicker and longer, and it's going to get back to that coarse texture. And when you go back to waxing, it's going to hurt like hell. So they tell you not to shave so that you can keep yourself from having to go through that torture, baby. Okay? So right now, I'm going to give you what I've been using since I can't get to the wax salon, and what you could use too. And you could use this on your legs, you can use it on your kitty cat. You know, this is the NAIR leg mask, brighten and smooth with 100% natural clay and charcoal. Boom! There it is. So the reason why I like this is because it does what it says it's gonna do. You know, I know a lot of you probably tried the old original formula of NAIR, and I know I tried it too, and it was just really like thin and runny when you used it. Also, I felt like it really didn't do what it said it was gonna do. Like, a lot of times when I use it, it would still be like hair stuck to my ass, and you know, and then I would have to do it over, and then I felt like it really didn't even last too long before the hairs was growing back, and I don't like that. You know, I don't like when you have all these high hopes for a product and then it falls flat. It's just like, that's whack. So I was in the store and I was like, yo, let me try this out, because I really was drawn to the fact that it had clay in it, and I really love like natural clay products. If you have not seen my video with the bentonite clay mask for reducing wrinkles, large pores, and preventing pimples and getting rid of pimples, you need to go watch that right after this video, honey. But also, this formula is way thicker than the original formula. This formula is literally like a clay, so you can pretty much manipulate it how you need to without worrying about it running or rubbing up against other things. So what I do is I use it on my legs, and then I use it on my cooter, on my kitty. But I'm gonna tell you, like, okay, I'm gonna have to kind of like show you what I do, because I don't want any of you all to put this in the wrong place, okay? It's not really for your bikini area, but it works really well there. So basically, when you put it on your legs, well, I put it on my legs, and then I put it like here in this area, so you get your bikini line nice and right, and then put it on the front of your vag area, you know what I'm saying? So all of that is going to be nice and clean. And then so here, like here on the outside of your lips, you're going to put it there also. Please do not part your lips and put this and try to put this anywhere on the inside or the top or anywhere near your clit, okay? It has to be on the external lips. All right, don't put that on your clit and then come talking about Jane of Thrones told you to do it, because I did not tell you to do that. Another thing that I want you to make sure that you do is leave it on for 20 minutes, especially if you are a brown or black girl with thicker, coarser texture hair. It says on the bottle to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, but that is not gonna cut it, honey. if you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, you're gonna be doing it over again and you're gonna be mad. All right, so just go ahead and take my advice. Also, I did notice when I was looking at some reviews that it is important for you to do a patch test, just in case you're one of those people who have sensitive skin or skin sensitivities. There was a few people that said like it irritated them a little, but it was only like a few, like 2 or 3 people. But other than that, I really love that product. The last thing I want to say is that it lasts a good amount of time. I think it lasts on the better part of like 10 days to 2 weeks, you know, somewhere along if you do it right. Yeah, I'm not lying, because that NAIR original formula, it did not last nowhere near that amount of time. So this is pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is something you could basically have on deck for emergencies or whenever you need to do a little touch up. This is what you want, okay? Another amazing thing about this product is the smell. If you have used the original formula of NAIR, which I'm sure you have way back in the day, you know that it smells like straight ass chips, okay? Straight ass chips, okay? Well, it smells like rotten eggs or relaxer. Yeah, it smells like relaxer, and like the whole bathroom just be like pumping. Like, I don't like that smell, okay? But this one is like, I'm not gonna say it doesn't smell, but it has like a very subtle smell to it as far as that goes. It is not as strong or as pungent or as offensive as the original formula, and you know, it's all right. It's bearable, you know. It's not something that you just gonna be like torturing yourself all the way through. So I really love it for that as well, because you know, I could breathe, and everybody wants to breathe while they doing whatever they gotta do, so that's a plus. The great thing about it is you don't have to go through the pain of waxing. You don't have to go through no shaving and have to worry about doing it again in 2 days. It's like, you know, and then there's no pain because you're not cutting yourself with a razor. You're not getting your hairs pulled out of your skin, and you're good. So why wouldn't you go get it? Like, I will put the link down in the description box if you want to go get this. And I just want to let you know, if you do decide to try this, come back and drop me a comment and let me know like how it worked out for you, if this was a good recommendation for you, or if you had a bad experience, you can put that too, so other people could also learn from whatever is going on with your experience. And that concludes this video for the NAIR leg mask with natural clay and charcoal, and I will see you kings and queens on the next video. Peace out, royal family. Oh snap, real quick, just to let you know, for those of you who was wondering, yes, that is my snatch on the thumbnail.